Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send Google Drive files on Gmail. Friends, if you want to email some files saved on Google Drive, then you need to start composing email on your Gmail account. Now here you need to compose the email as you normally do, and to attach files from your Google Drive, you need to click on this Google Drive icon. Now from here you need to select the file, and after selecting the file you need to click on add as link. Now here you can see our Google Docs file is attached in our mail. So now add the email address to send the email and add subject and click on the send button to send the email. So friends, like this you can very easily send Google Drive files on Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.